Hi GP learners, and welcome to another episode of Tip Thursday. On this episode, we're going to look at a really useful website found on our resources general page called Labtest Online. So when you click onto this, it'll take you to the home page, which is Labtest Online UK, which is supported by a cross-party association between a variety of different collaborating partners, including the Royal College of Pathologists. What this is simply the best online resource to look at investigations and how to analyse the results, and also what to consider. It's split into three main sections. So you've got the tests section, which lists each individual test that you could potentially use to manage patients. And as you can see, it's a pretty diverse list. The second section is the conditions page, which looks at individual conditions and what you may need to look at to analyse them. And then the third part is looking at health screening tests and stuff at various different age groups and why and when you would want to consider these screening investigations. If we look at these each individually, so one of the test pages is PTH, parathyroid hormone. It gives you clear information as to when to get tested, what test preparation you need, and also what you're doing exactly. It's also got common questions about how this test may be used, when it is requested, and more importantly, what does the test result mean? It's by no means the absolute guide, but it is very good, clear information and explained in simple language as well, which can be useful. Alternatively, you could look at it by conditions, for example, in terms of things like gallstones, which was one of the ones that we saw here. So you can look at the individual information about the condition itself, what tests you may want to consider in terms of investigating it, and it also links to the various pages such as NHS Choices and Patient UK to give a leaflet to the patient. Additionally, when looking at screening, as I said, it gives you information about the various different screening tests you can look at and when they are appropriate and why. Again, very useful to give information leaflets to patients when they're asking about extra tests when they may not need them. As an extra little tip, if you are a Systm One user, there's a really quick hack to get to Labtest Online. So when you're in the pathology results section, whenever you see the blue eye here in the pathology section, then that will double clicking on that will automatically take you to Labtest Online page for that particular test. Really quick and easy way of getting some information if you're unsure of the results that you're looking at. I find this a really useful website and I use it quite a lot in my clinical practice. If you're interested in having a look, feel free to take a look at it. As always, comment, share and keep eGPlearning, guys. See you later. Bye.